YouTube, it's Val. Welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here. If you are new to my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and give it a little like-see if you want to. I am here today with another unboxing. I got my little IPSY bag in the mail a couple days ago and I opened it because I didn't think I'd be filming this soon, but I don't remember what the hell is in this bag. So we're just gonna open it together. We're just gonna do that. Anyway, oh, sorry. I'm all over the place still. This is a little IPSY bag. It's really cute. I like that now it's saying the word on there. I feel like that's kind of cool looking. I actually really enjoy these colors. I feel like it's very springy. Anywho, I'm just gonna go in here and open it now because that's why you're here, is to see what's in my bag. First things first. Oh, I remember that. Okay, so this is the Purlisse. I don't know how you pronounce that. Coconut oil and plumeria silky body butter. I am not gonna open this. It's got a little thingy on it. I'm not gonna open this because frankly, I will not use this. I'm going to start putting a lot of things aside that I won't be using them. If I know right off the bat that I bought something that was a mistake, or if I get something in a box or something that I'm not going to be using, I'm going to start pushing it aside and putting it in a bin for future giveaways. I do have a giveaway coming up, so I'm going to kind of cultivate a little box for y'all, and then when I get it all together, I will show you what's going to be inside of it and all that. So, moving forward, this will go in the giveaway box. Maybe one of you will like it. I don't know. Maybe you won't. You can give it to your dog or something, or your mom. I don't know. That sounded really weird. It's fine. Next in my bag is, oh yeah. This is called Estate, and it's called Do Me, but dew, like dew on a tree. Wait, that sounded really very weird. What I mean is dew, like morning dew, like the water. Okay, you got it. We're on the same page. Called Bye is the color, which is like my favorite word in the whole world, is bye. This is what the outside of it looks like. I kind of want to just do this number, but this camera does not auto adjust, so I will not be doing that. This is a beautiful little gold color. I feel like this is super standard for highlighters. I feel like I have so many damn highlighters that at this point in my life, I need something to come along and just like truly knock my socks off. Like I need something to be like, literally, this is your new and only ever going to be forevermore holy grail highlighter. That's how I feel. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do a little bit of swatcheriskeys, which, okay. Alrighty. I don't know if I spoke too soon. I mean, like, low-key, I feel like I'm honestly just so convinced of everything. You know what I mean? I have to really be not liking something to really not be liking it. You feel me? This, on the other hand, this is a quite delightful little highlighter. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, I've been working with a lot of like cream stuff lately. So I actually don't even know, like, should I don't know, is this gonna work out? I guess we'll see. We're gonna see together. I have some MAC MSF on my cheeks right now, so I might be like beaming me up to the moon at the end of this. I like that. I like the formulation. With the finger swatch, there is no chalk or kickback or anything, so I'm feeling okay about that. Somebody outside seems a little angry. I'm not sure what's going on. Anywho, ooh, okay. So I've got one of these before in a previous bag. Chapstick is really important for me right now because I don't ever have any anywhere, and I have to run upstairs to get it if it's on my bedside table, or run downstairs, and then I buy it in bulk and then I just lose it. So there's just like a lot of things happening on the chapstick front where, like, don't hold it against me, I need this. But because I am gonna keep it, I'm gonna open it. This is called Moroccan Magic Manuka Honey Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. Okay, this kind of smells, this is a very basic lip balm, I'm not gonna lie to you. Very basic lip balm. I think it'll do the job. Probably better than like the actual chapstick brand, no offense, but I feel like it's a pretty standard balm. I can't really tell that it's super nourishing or anything like that. You know, I think it's gonna do the job though, which is great because my lips are kind of parched. What the hell are you? Oh, I forgot about this. See, it's kind of like a new unboxing. It's kind of like I am unboxing it for the first time ever because my memory is just a little garbo lately. This, and I'm gonna open this because I'm so excited about this. I got one of these a really long time ago. We're talking like back when I was still YouTubing. I got this in, I think, an IPSY bag. It might have been Lip Monthly. Back before Lip Monthly was actually good at what they were doing. No offense. Back when their bag was like $5, I think, and you got like the first 5 months half off or something crazy. This is the Ciate Fierce Flicks. Now, this is a standard run-of-the-mill eyeliner, right? But not really, because it's really good. Like, that is some pretty... And it's really, what I like about it is that it's very kind of bouncy. It has a real good bounce to it. It's not, like, stiff. Like, I have so many darn eyeliners that I buy over the course of my life pretty regularly, like once or twice a week, honestly. I just, like, have an eyeliner problem. Anybody else? Comment below if you have an eyeliner addiction like myself. I feel like it's bouncier. Yeah, it just probably gives you a better curvature situation, which, again, if you follow me, you'll understand what I mean by that, because one of my eyeballs kind of like does this weird thing. Anyway, long story short, these on their own, I believe, are around, they're between $22 and $26 a piece on their own. So you can imagine my surprise and delight that I got one in my IPSY bag, because now I don't have to buy one and spend that much money. I love it. Low-key, just full disclosure, it's still wet. So one setback of that eyeliner is that it does take a minute to dry, but who's counting? Last little thing in my little bag. I mean, this is a pretty delightful little bag. I mean, except for that lotion, which I tell them every month, stop sending me lotion. Aside from that, I'm pretty excited. I got the Auto Balm Day to Night Shadows on the Go. This will not be going in my bag, but I will show you what it is. This is called Lombard Street. And this is honestly, it's like a bronze penny color. Wait a minute. Copper penny? Copper, pennies are copper, not bronze. Let's try that again. This is like a root, a metallic root color. Like root from a tree. I'm done. Okay, you got it. This will be going in a giveaway, gals, which is why I am not swatching it. So, I'll put that in the giveaway too. All in all, I feel like my IPSY bag this month was pretty dope. I feel like I'm really having a good time with this situation. This highlighter will make it into my highlighter box now in my thing in there, in my vanity room. It's gonna go in there as well as this chapstick, but that's gonna go in my nightstand, obviously. Guys, tell me what you got in your IPSY bag this month. If you wanna tell me below, let me know. I feel like some of these IPSY boxes, IPSY, mother God, some of these IPSY bags are really great nowadays. So I know they've kind of stepped the game up a little bit since I've been on the interwebs. So I hope that all of you people are having a wonderful day. I hope everyone is hanging in there through all of this madness that's going on in the world. And if you have any questions, comments, or anything in between, feel free to holla at your girl. And I will be here to communicate. Yeah. Pretty much. So, hope you're having a great day. If you like this video, again, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that if you feel like it. And then I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, bye!